this is my side.
Oh, sorry. If you're also having trouble with your passenger using your armrest, I have the solution for you in this video. Let's get to it. The first step is to go to your local junkyard and get an armrest from another CRV. The driver's side seat armrest will fit the passenger side, and I will show you how to take it off right now. So to take off the armrest is right here. You bend this back, and you're gonna find a zipper right here. Right here, you just unzip it down. That way you can pull the fabric off, and then you're gonna find this bolt right here, or this nut. It's a 17 millimeter. You take this off, and then the armrest comes off. Now you have this bracket right there in the seat. There's two 10 millimeter bolts that you gotta remove to remove this whole bracket. When you remove this whole bracket, you just put it back in your armrest, put the hardware back in, and that way you buy the whole armrest with the bracket. Because if you bring this separate, they're gonna want to charge you separate for this bracket. The second step is to make sure your seat has the bracket so you can mount the armrest on your factory seat. So let's check. Now, if you're not sure if you do have it or not, please like, comment, and subscribe so you can have this in your seat. So what you do is you feel around here, like right where the other armrest is, and you should feel a hard spot right here. If you feel like this and it goes all the way in, that means you don't have it. But right here you can feel a hard spot, and that's where you're gonna mount your new armrest. Yeah. So you feel where it's hard, and then you cut a small hole. So you should have this hole right here, and that's where you're gonna bolt this bracket. What I did is I put it over, and you squish it, and it kind of marks where it's hitting. So you just cut smaller than that so you can't tell that it's there. And then after, you just kind of put it in to the top first, push it up, pull this back, and then put it in like that, and then just bolt it in. So once you bolt that in, you leave this little white plastic on this, and then you put the armrest over it. Like that. And then the next thing is another white plastic. And then you got the big washer, little washer, and you got your 17 millimeter nut. Put it in. After you tighten it down, you close the pull the fabric back, close the zipper, fold this thing, and voila, you're done. It goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, and you can't tell the holes. You can't even see it. But do this at your own risk, because if you cut too much, you're gonna damage your seat, and that's not gonna be good. You're gonna have to buy a new seat, or you're just gonna have to deal with looking at a ripped seat all the time. But as long as you do it right, you measure everything correctly, and you cut little by little, you should be good. That's all for today. Thank you guys for the support. Please like, share this video, comment, and subscribe. Peace.